Guys, good morning. Guys, I wanted to bring you guys an easy project for home freshener, fabric, or whatever in your carpets, on your bed, on your couches. Take some regular tap water, guys, and this is scent boosters, guys. You can make your own Febreeze, but then you can make it with a fragrance that you like instead of just a regular Febreeze. And you put it in to the water, guys. Put it into the water, and you will have your own home fragrance, guys. So you take it, put it in there, and then you shake it up. Shake it up. And it's just regular tap water, guys. And it is ready. I'm spraying it like down the stairs now, guys. And your house can smell amazing. You can put it on your bed, wherever, carpet. See that, guys? So easy DIY, guys. So make your own Febreeze at home. Bye-bye. Hi, guys. Make your own scent boosters at home with tap water and scent boosters, guys. Have a great day.